Hello, my name is Kiran and welcome back to my YouTube channel Orange Zest. So in today's video we are going to try viral Instagram recipes. So in this video we will try making three different recipes. So I was just scrolling Instagram and I found out these recipes which were going very viral. So I saved all of them and now we are going to try them. So first recipe is a vegetable wrap. So it's a easy wrap. The other one is chocolate popcorn and also egg cheese sandwich. So these are three recipes which we are going to try, and let's see how that turn out and is it actually that easy and that good. So let's see, and without further ado, let's start with this video. So the first recipe which we are trying is the vegetable wrap. So on the gas, and then I put the pan to heat the wrap over in the pan. So taking pan and then adding some oil so that it becomes little crunchy and nicely heated up. So adding some oil. After putting the oil, just place the roti or chapati, whatever you have, what you usually have, and make sure to make that slit like this, which is shown in this video, because this slit is very important because it will help in making the four parts and then wrapping up. And now I am putting the Szechuan chutney, and yeah, you can put anything, mayonnaise, pizza sauce, anything which you have available, green chutney, anything. So basically you can modify it according to your choice. So yeah, then spreading it all over on the half part. After that, adding some vegetables. So I just wanted to have some onions and tomatoes, so I added a generous amount of onions and tomatoes. Yeah, so it will become little fresh and crunchy, and obviously it is a vegetable wrap, so you need to have some sort of vegetables. So adding that, and we were having some leftover chicken fried pieces, so yeah, just adding that. You can also here add tofu or paneer or any other vegetable mix you have, it's totally normal. And then adding cheese, yeah, so adding generous amount of cheese, and this cheese we grated it and kept, so it was sticking all over my hand. So yeah, don't judge my cooking skills here, because yeah, my cooking skills are not so great, but yeah, it's eatable. Whatever I make, it's eatable. So that after that you have to make this wrap, fold it like this. And I was stupid enough to do it with hand. You can also make use of spatula. So then I realized that yeah, I should use a spatula, and then I take it, and yeah, I'm using that. Let it cook on both the sides for 2 minutes, and it will get crunchy and cooked properly, and also the cheese will melt once it is heated up properly. Yeah, it's ready. It's easy to make, yeah, and you can have it in your snacks time or take it for lunch, and I think children will specially enjoy it because they will get everything to eat, and that also in a wrap. So it's easy, and then just take it out and it's ready for you to enjoy. Yeah. Moving on to second recipe. These people are so pro at cooking, and by looking at them, my cooking skills are laughing on me. So let's start with making this. So I was not going to have it because I don't usually have egg and bread combination. So I was making this for my brother who don't like vegetable with egg. So I am just making it plain, putting some spices, and only making one egg because I was not sure of myself how it will turn out. So yes, putting some salt, some turmeric. I don't know, people usually put turmeric or not in egg, but I put, and it doesn't change the flavor so much. So yeah, you can add on the turmeric for added health benefits as well. And then just whisk it like how we do with normal egg omelette. Yeah, it's a little tedious task, but you have to do it properly to make that perfect omelette. Now again, oning the gas, keeping the pan, the same pan I am using because we were making it continuously, so that same pan, it was not too dirty also, so making use of that only. Again, putting some oil, spreading it all over to like every nook and corner of the pan, and then making some sort of omelette. So I was using only one egg, so it was little difficult for like bread to catch it up, but you can make use of 2 eggs if you like, and if you like, and if you want to have 2 eggs, like your choice, totally depends on you. Whatever vegetables you want to put, whatever spice mix you want to put, adding some bread over it. And it was little difficult for me to flip it, but you saw in the reel how people do it, so you have to do it that way. Let it cook for some time. After it gets cooked properly, it is easy to like flip, and after lot of struggle, I finally after breaking and all of the, but I did a like decent job, not pretty good, but a decent job. Taking all the remaining pieces and adding it over the bread, and the remaining cheese, and the cheese was sticking, so just using some Indian hack methods to spread it all over, and then just flip the bread. It's done. Let it cook for some time till the bread gets golden brown. Perfect. Once it's done on the one side, make sure to flip it and let it cook on the other side for again 2-3 minutes. And yes, now it's ready to have. Bread, egg, cheese sandwich is ready. Moving on, I was asking my brother like how it was, and giving me a big thumbs up. Third recipe, chocolate popcorn. So it looks easy, but let's see how it turns out. Oning the gas, taking a big kadai so that I make like good popcorns and the heat is like all around. Taking some oil, so we will follow the procedure which was given in the reel, adding oil and then adding chocolate. I have here some dark chocolate, so adding that. You know that whenever we are melting chocolate, we make use of double boiler, but I don't know why. Here we are heating it directly, but we are just trying the recipe of how it was. How I resisted myself, I only know. Melted the chocolate and then we will add corn, take popcorn corn, and we'll let it rise, we'll let it cook. After mixing it properly, cover a lid on them and let just it pop. So when it popped all of the popcorns, this is how it turned. It was quite a misery. Everything was burned and everything got wasted. Thank God my mom was not there. She was out, otherwise she would have killed me. So I tried all the 3 recipes, among them the vegetable wrap which I made. So I really like that one. So it's a big yes, you can give it a try. Also the egg cheese sandwich, I didn't try it but my brother tried it and yeah, he liked it. So it was also good. And the last recipe, which was the chocolate popcorn, so it's a big disaster and I will request you not to try that, because yeah, all the chocolate got burnt and the popcorns were tasting horrible, like it was just horrible. So don't give it a try. And that was it for today's video, and I hope you like this video. If you like this video, make sure to give it a like, share and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.